cool and creative. It's time to have fun. So today I'm here in Creative Cool Cassia, and I know it's the same day and I'm filming the same video, same place, same day, but I'm just so excited and I'm really happy to make these videos. I'm really excited. So I'm going to make another video. I just had another idea. I'm really sorry if you don't like the videos. I just don't know how to edit. So if you do know how to edit a video, comment it down below. So all you have to do after this video, you can do it. It doesn't have to be now, but if you want to, it can. Comment down, subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below what video you want me to do next, and subscribe. I know I said it out of order, but whatever. So let's start the video. Oh, forgot to tell you. Today I am going to show you how to draw different types of flowers. I know I might not color them and everything. I don't really have time. I just really wanted to make another video. So I'm going to show you what you're going to need. Is paper. This is lined, but doesn't matter. Wait 1 second. Pencils and pens. Doesn't matter which one you use. I recommend pencil and an eraser if you do. So I'm going to start now. So I'm going to do it like this. Okay. Okie dokie. Let's start. So I think I'm going to use this pencil. What? It's almost my lucky, and then I have an eraser. So I'm going to start. So one of the flowers I'm going to make, I'm going to put it on the other side so it's easier to see what I'm doing. Okay, so one of them is like this. Teach you how to make a rose. It's not actually, I think it's pretty cute, but it's not like one of those masterpieces, because like I'm just a kid, so you do this. So it's like when you make a U and then like a little thing like that. So then you just come here and make a little swizzle like that. And then you just make another chord. And then I do like this curve. Bah. And I think it's really cute. Then, whoops! No, my beautiful pencil. Okay, and then I have another one that it's like this. So you also make a U, like that. Then you make point, 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 point. Almost like it's a crown. Then you make 2 lines over here. Make a little ball. And then you also make, this is bothering me. Keep making these clackety-clack noises. Okay, this, bye-bye. And then you can do it like this. There. I have another one, which is like this. First, you make a little ball. Whoops, there. Then you make something like this.
And then like that. And then I turn the page because I don't know why, but it's easier so you don't have to do it upside down. And then you do it like that. I don't want it to look, I want it to look like that. So I do it like this. Yeah, and like that. So then I make one more set like this. Like that. I think it looks cute. You can color it yourself because, I mean, if you want, you can color it. I'm not coloring it because I don't have much time. Plus, oh, wow. I don't think I filmed it, but anyways, this is what it looks like. And I think it looks pretty cute, these flowers. And if you have any other idea of drawings I should also make, comment down below. Please subscribe, and till the next video, cheers!